sharing option. Okay, one second. Let me share the screen
Uh,
also. Okay,
hello.
I share the screen now. Hello, yes.
Hello.
Yes, hello,
I'm
yes, hello.
I'm a drop to it.
Yeah. Okay, okay. I think the Amir got dropped. One second. Let me call Amir now. One second. I think he got dropped from the call. Let me call Amir right now. Okay, I will call him from my mobile phone. He was there because I think because of this network connection, it got dropped. Let's just give me 1 minute. I'm calling him right now. Okay,
Okay.
I'm calling him right now. The call got dropped. Hello, Amir. You know this call got dropped, man. We are on Skype, waiting for you, Amir. Okay, just come on Skype. Okay, Amir. Okay, Amir. Thank you. Okay. So basically, what exactly I'm showing, like a shortcut method. Okay, he's coming now. So in like a shortcut method of inserting the values into the table. Okay, create table employee. Okay, employee tables I've created, and in that one I'm inserting the value what ID, first name I'm inserting, last name I'm inserting, salary also I want to insert. For example, I'm putting a salary. SAL. Salary will be number, right? NUMBER number, and then just mute on your mic. Okay, mute your mic, all of them. Okay, and then I'm putting a salary, and then I'm putting a, for example, like a job. Okay, I'm putting in a job. Job is what exactly? Job is also a character. Example, like a cyber security expert, or like a sales guy or HR guy. This is what character only, right? So I'm putting a varchar2 colon, for example, I'm giving the size here as 10. Okay, and closing the table here. Okay, create table. In that one I'm inserting ID, first name, last name, salary, and job also I'm inserting. All these things I'm inserting now. Table created. If I wanted to see a describe, my table here is EMPLOYE employee table. Okay, now you one second describe. I think EMPP have. Okay, one second. I'm typing here what exactly describe. Okay, describe employee, EMPLOYE employee table. What happened? ID is there, first name is there, last name is there, salary is there, job is there. All these are data types is there. Now I want to insert the values by shortcut method. Long cut method you saw. Shortcut method also we have to see, right? How we'll do by the shortcut method. You don't have to put again insert values, table name, long method. I'm showing by the shortcut method. Okay, insert. One time only I'm putting an insert command. Insert into what is my table name? Employee is my table name. Okay, EMPLOYE employee. Okay, and values. I'm putting what exactly here? Ampersand. I'm putting what? Ampersand means like this. Ampersand. Okay, ampersand ID, comma. Okay, and then whenever we are talking about the character, we have to put double colon like this. Okay, then ampersand again. Okay, then the first name. Okay, what is the first name I have given here? FIRST. Let me cut this one. First name. Okay, FIRST. First NAME name. Okay, then the colon like this. Then the comma. Then again I am putting here what? Last name. Okay, again double colon bracket. Then I am putting here again question mark like this and the last name. Okay, are you guys getting now, right? Last name like this, and then the putting here like this. Okay, now again I am putting here comma. Then I am putting again like this, and then ampersand again, and I am putting what? Salary, SAL, like this I am putting, and then the colon again, and then I am putting here comma again. Okay, and then I am putting one more like this, a job. Okay, ampersand I am putting here like this, and then the job. Okay, now I'm putting here like this, and this one like this. Okay, now only one time I'm inserting the values one by one like this here again, double colon like this. Enter the ID. For example, I'm putting my ID, for example, 1223. Okay, like this. First name, ZEES. 1 second. What is my first name? Only one time I'm putting. I don't have to insert again. Zishan, I'm putting my first name. Last name I'm putting here as Farooq. Okay. Salary. What salary? I'm putting here like this. Anything I can put it. It's up to me. Anything I can put it. Okay. Now, for example, cyber security. Okay. This is what I'm putting here. And then click on enter. One row created. Again, I'm putting here what? Slash again. Once again. Till here you got it now, right? All of them. Hello, are you guys there now?
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
First row got created. Again enter. See, first row got created now, right? Escape again. Again, what exactly I am doing now? First row got created again, and again, what exactly I am doing? Again, try to do one to again. See here, I don't wanted to put it again and again, again and again, right? It will be very long process, right? If I do it again and again. One second. See here. Thing is that is it easier for me to put all the values? Now, if I put here, for example, select star from employee. Did I got that? Hello. Did I got all the details? Now,
Yes.
I wanted to update. For example, I wanted to update. What exactly I wanted to update? I wanted to update job into department. For example, you see here now, right? Or if I wanted to change my job title. Okay, anything. See, I want to update. For example, how I will update my job. We will see now like this. I'm using the update command. Update means this is the job, right? I want to update the job from cyber security to VAPT. How I will update from cyber security to VAPT? We'll see practically now in detail. Okay, update. UPDATE update. Okay, what exactly I'm trying to update? I'm trying to update the table EMPLOYE. Okay, what exactly I want to do? I want to change the job, right? Set space. What exactly I want to change? Job. Job equal to, I am, for example, VAPT I want to put it. Okay, equal to double colon. VAPT means what? Vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. Okay, like this I am putting. Where, for what I want to change? Let's put it in caps lock. Where job equal to, what is the job equal to we are having now? Job equal to cybersec. Okay, job equal to cyber SEC sec. Okay, now double colon like this. Sorry, 0 rows got updated. What happened? Update employee Z. Set job equal to, one second. Set job equal to VAPT, right? We have simply changed SEP. I think some mistake got happened. One second, let me check it now. I'm trying to update this table now here. 0 row got updated. One second. Employee set job equal to like this. For example, let's just take here. I want to change the first name, for example, like this. One second. First name is what exactly? My first name is ZEESHAN. I want to change my first name of this, for example. Okay. One row updated. That means, see here, my first name, I want to change my first name. Zishan to Muhammad. Did I change my first name? Now, if I put here like this, did my first name got changed?
Yes, sir.
I want to change my salary. How I will change my salary? You see now here. One second. Let me go back here now. Suppose if I wanted to change my salary from 70,000 to 90,000. Okay. SAL salary. I will just put it like this here. Salary I am putting here as 90,000. Okay. And now again I am putting here as sal. Sorry. One second. Let me go back here now and clicking here like this. Salary. Salary I am changing my salary from what do we call 70,000 to 90,000. I want to put my salary. Okay. My salary. Okay. Where salary should be this, whenever you are putting a character, you have to put like this, right? But we are not putting any character. From 70,000, I am changing my salary. One row updated. Now you see here, select staff from employee. Did my salary got updated? All of them. Are you there now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Did my salary got updated?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, as I told you now that I was using this one, right? All these options I was using now. Let's just create one more table. Simultaneously, we'll try to insert the values. Okay. See, one time I think I showed you how to, short form method we saw. Now we try to see the delete option. If I am putting the same table, delete, D-E-L-E-T-E, delete from E-M-P-L-O-Y-E-E, employee. Deleted table. Complete table got deleted. Select star from employee. One second. Employee. Nothing is there. Delete command. Wanted to bring back again. ROLLBACK. Roll back. Enter. Now you see old values came back. No, it didn't came back. Old values got totally deleted completely because we have not did commit command. That is why whenever you are creating a table, you have to type command called commit. I will show you what do you mean by like a commit command. Till now we have not discussed about that one. Let me open a sheet here now. Okay, 1 second. Let me open a sheet. Data definition language. We saw how to create the table, and we saw in TML.
Screen choti hai yaar.
One second. Screen got small. Now is it still small now? Now is it big now? Screen. Amir, is the screen?
Yeah. I mean, it was a little clearer just in the back, but I mean, the words are still kind of small.
Small now because I just make the screen bigger now. 1 second, let me check now. Now this is small now. I make the screen very big now.
No, the
but
text.
Okay, still it is. You mean to say like still it is small the screen?
No, not the screen. The text that आप जो टाइप कर रहे हैं वो बहुत
अच्छा okay fine text बोल रहे ना आप okay fine तो मैं एक काम कर दो let me just do it on this word format it will be more good micro okay word office word में तो कर लेता हूँ मैं इसको okay let's just go here like this here and then let's just do it on the word format okay
so I do also do have a question about that rollback.
Okay, rollback command. Okay, see, rollback command is a TCL command. Okay, TCL अभी अपन नहीं गए, transact query language में अभी अपन नहीं गए. वो commit करके rollback करना है अपने को. We didn't went on to that topic again. ये तो खाली अपन delete करे थे. Delete करे वास्ते अपने को वापस कैसा values को लेके आना है. क्योंकि अपन commit ही नहीं करे तो वापस कैसा आती value.
Right.
Suppose for example, I have just put the table. I have just created a table. Let me just create the table now.
Right.
Just now we have created one table like this. Let me go back here. Insert the values. Okay. Ye table just now we created this table, right? Table already exists. Okay. After this step, we just click on insert the values like this we did. Okay. This came like this. Then I just type here like this 1 2 2 3 we type, and then I just type here like this Muhammad, and then I just type here like this FAROQ Farouk, and then I just put it here like 90,000 here like this, and then I have put here like VAPT. Okay. Now,
That's
yes, I did it. After that, if I want one more page, then what? Enter. Slash enter. Again, I'm just putting here 1124, and then I'm putting here 11 name.
Right. Okay.
I don't have to again write it down again, insert into table name values like this. Getting my point, right?
Sure.
I don't have to write it down again and again. PLSQL, for example. Okay.
Okay.
One go inserted like this. Simply click on slash. Okay. How many times if you want, you can create 50 records, you can create like 100 records like this. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 2, for example, 5. Okay. Like this. Let's just put like a last name. Okay. Let's just put like a last name, for example. Okay. Any name I can put it. Okay. Any name I can put it here, for example, like a 50,000 like this. Any name I can put it here like this. Okay. Job, for example, like IT analyst, for example. Anything I can put it. Okay. like
Right.
this. So once I just click on here, select star from, for example, I'm putting here like employee. Okay.
Employee. Yeah.
Employee, employee, and then just click on like this, all these